Hi, I'm Kamna from Jamworks. Today I want to show you how Jamworks supports STEM students, those studying content that includes equations, derivations, graphs, and technical terminology. I'll walk you through how Jamworks supports students from the point of lecture capture through to structured revision using their own course material. STEM lectures are often dense and fast paced. With Jamworks, students can record the lecture while uploading the lecture slides at the same time. During the lecture, students are not expected to take perfect notes. They can write rough notes while listening, and that reduces cognitive load and supports attention on the teaching itself. Enhanced notes work directly with students' rough notes. Any incomplete or unclear notes taken during the lecture are enhanced for clarity and structure. If the student has missed equations, formulas, or technical explanations, Jamworks pulls this information directly from the lecture recording and explains it clearly within the notes. This is particularly helpful for students who struggle with processing speed, working memory, or written expression. After the lecture, Jamworks automatically generates key points. These are structured study notes created topic by topic based on everything covered in the lecture. Each topic includes a clear title, a written explanation, and bullet points that breaks each concept down. Where the lecture includes STEM equations or formulas, these are captured accurately and placed in the current topic context, ensuring students don't miss important mathematical and technical information. Jamworks also provides summaries for each topic covered in the lecture. These are bite-sized explanations designed to help students to revisit complex content efficiently. Where relevant, summaries include key STEM equations and explanations, helping students reconnect concepts without needing to rewatch the entire lecture. Students can also ask questions directly from their uploaded lecture slides. This is very helpful for formulas, equations, and graphs. Jamworks breaks down equations step by step, explains each symbol, and clarifies how the formula is being used within the lecture context, supporting better conceptual understanding rather than just surface level recall. STEM learning often involves handwritten derivations or board work. Students can upload photos of handwritten notes or Blackboard content and also ask questions about them. If a derivation or calculation is unclear, Jamworks can break it down step by step and explain what each symbol or state represents. This supports students who struggle to independently revisit handwritten mathematical content. Students can also ask questions based on the full lecture or on a specific topic within it. Jamworks uses the lecture recording to provide accurate, context-aware explanations, which includes equations and technical reasoning rather than just generic answers. We've also got a couple of quick prompts. The first one is Quiz Me. Quiz Me supports active learning and self-assessment. It starts with really simple questions such as a yes or no or basic recall and gradually increases in difficulty as the student answers correctly. Questions are generated from the student's own lecture, and it also includes STEM equations and concepts, helping assess both understanding and application. The next prompt we've got is Simplify. The Simplify feature allows students to rewrite complex technical explanations into clearer and more accessible language. This helps reduce cognitive overload while maintaining subject accuracy and supporting students who find dense STEM language challenging. Jamworks automatically pulls out complex or technical terms from the lecture and provides definitions in the form of glossary. These definitions are grounded in the lecture content, helping students build understanding of subject-specific terminology without needing to rely on external resources. Jamworks also generates flashcards from each lecture topic. Each flashcard includes a question, a clear answer, an explanation, and an audio snippet linked directly to the relevant part of the lecture recording. For STEM subjects, flashcards also include important formulas, equations, or technical concepts supporting repeated and structured revision. Overall, Jamworks supports STEM students by capturing complex lecture content accurately, reducing cognitive load, and enabling structured independent revision. By working directly from the student's own lecture material, Jamworks provides targeted study support that aligns well with every student's learning needs.